Hello and welcome everyone. So today we will solve Leetcode problem 572, subtree of another tree, and we will be solving it using Golang. So this problem states that we are given a tree and a subtree, and we need to find out whether the subtree is actually a part of the given tree. So if you take this example, the tree is this, the main tree is this, and the subtree is this. Now we can see in the diagram here that the subtree is indeed a part of the tree, so we will return true here. But if we take this example, we can see that the subtree is not a part of this tree. 412 does come here, 412 does come here, but again the 2 has a left child as well, 0, which is not here. So this tree is not exactly like this tree is not exactly the uh, part of this tree. Like it says that given the two binary trees, return tree if there is a subtree of root with the same structure, right? So the structure is not same, structure is different, so that's why it will return false. So we will solve this recursively. What we will do is we will check each. We are also given that the node values are unique here, so the node values here will be unique. Right. So for this, what we will do is we will compare each node value to the subtree's node values. So if 3 is not equal to 4, we will traverse its left and its right child. If we go to its left child, we'll see that 4 is equal to 4. Now, since 4 is equal to 4, we will traverse both of its. We will check whether whether the whole tree that comes under 4 is equal to this subtree or not. If the whole tree that comes under 4 is equal to this, then that means this tree is present inside it. Else, we will return false. So this is just basically checking whether this tree is equal to this tree or not. Just is same tree. Like this is a very simple problem checking whether the two trees are equal or not. So we'll check here. Else, if the nodes are not equal, we will just traverse left and right or its children, and we will just keep doing that unless the nodes get equal. And if the nodes never get equal, then we will just return false. So let's try to code this up. So first we will check if our root is equal to null. If our root is equal to null, then the answer is false. Because if root is null, then there is our subtree is not present here. So we'll just return false. Now we will return is same tree, which we will implement just now. So if our if our tree and if our subtree are same, then it automatically becomes a part. So we'll just return true, or we will check on the left and right left and right children of our main tree. So is subtree, we will traverse on its left child and see whether the nodes get equal, or we will traverse the right right child to see if the node gets equal subroot. Now we will implement our is same tree function. This will take root star tree node, subroot star tree node, and it will return a bool. And here we will check if our root is nil and our subroot is also nil. Then that means they are equal. So we'll just return true. Now if either our root is nil and or our subroot is nil, at this point we know that subroot is not a part of root, so we'll just return false. We will also check if root dot wall is not equal to subroot dot wall, then that means this subroot is not a part of root, so we'll return false here. Now we will return is same tree. So at this point we know that the nodes are equal. Since the nodes are equal, we'll check if the subtree is exactly equal to the tree that we are checking or not. So for that we will check root dot left, subroot dot left, and here, because we want to check all the nodes should be equal since the parent nodes are equal. So root dot right, subroot dot right. Now we'll run this and see if it works. And we have got some error. What's the error here? is subroot, is subtree. Okay, subtree. Yeah. The name here is incorrect. Yeah, I'll run this again. And we can see it works. I'll submit it now. And we can see it's pretty efficient. So this was all for today. I'll see you in next one.